Good morning. Ayan ang pago, guys. Male and female. There's already a turkey here. Hello. This chicken are only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's sunny already. 6:30 in the morning, guys. Look at the corn here. That's the update here in Bahay Kubo, guys. I just wake up and I don't wash my face. It's so cold, my goodness. More than cold than aircon. Look at the corn this side. It's growing already. They don't plant corn there in the mango. And the cassava cake. Cassava. Look at that. So they don't plant there a corn. This side only. Ayan ang cassava, guys. Nearly to harvest na. Ta-da! Hello, si Papa. My God, my father planting the coconut here, guys. He is trespassing. My father is trespassing. He planting coconut tree here. OMG. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My God, I want pa build Bahay Kubo here in year 2000. Forgotten. Look at the cassava. Nearly to harvest. Mango tree. My God, my father planting coconut here, dwarf coconut. I want this side. Oh, look at this one. See, cute. But that's a grass, but it looks like cute. This is nice to plant also, guys. There's a flower. This one is nasa tingalan, anak? Hantutok na. Banana tree. Oh, they plant more banana tree here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. My gosh. Look at the tree. It's died. What's happening? Let's exercise, guys. It's morning exercise. There's a tree here. Pa-music na si mother, guys. Music na siya. Good morning! I don't bath because it's Friday. It's cold. That's the update here. No plant. Oh, there's a coconut. The one that planted here before, the drafting tree. Drafted. It's not growing. It's died. Oh, that one, Lanzonis. Yan, sunrise. The sunrise starts 6 in the morning. Now it's 6:30. Not a lot of coconut fruits. Look at that. Look at that. So my mother and father are feeding their animals. Feed the goose, turkey, pigs, chicken and rabbit and fish, tilapia fish. So they're feeding it early in the morning. Here, coconut. Where is the cow? Father bring the cow already somewhere, guys. So when I hear, I'm just here. Sister Endong is not here. Going back to the city. I'll stay here forever. Charot. Charot. So that's the corn over there. Look at the sunlight, guys. Wow, nice. Imagine that I wake up and then I did not clean up. Mother's broming. So the parabolic over there. Look at the chili, guys. It's already a lot of. Ayan. Yung eggplant, it's very malusog. Another plant. The bawing. Madaghan kay kag bawing ma. Daghan kay mong bawing. And then another sili. And then look at the fence. It's damaged. And this one. Look at that. You see it's spicy or not? The purple corn, what happened? And the plant. The onion rings. Oh, my mother cleaning this area. What she want to plant there? Let's check the goose, guys. Oh, what happened? The onions, I will bring that to the city. We'll use that for bulalo. Hello. Hi. Hi. Morning. Morning. Saan may pag-open? I will disturb you. Hello. A swimming pool. Dirty na lang swimming pool. Hello. And then chicken here. Ah, sige pa. The pigs. Hi, pig. Black and white. Oh, they're done eating. Look at the roster. It's so small. Oh, see? Good morning. That's very small roster. Ayan ang mga geese. Very, very white. Hello. Isang girl. Bana kayo sila. Ayan ang corn. Ah! Imo ha. Awayon ko din yan. Hello. Sorry. Ayan. Bahay Kobo. Ayan ang mga couples. Hello. So that's the corn. The santol already have a fruits, guys. Daghanag bunga mao. We don't know if that's sweet or not. The santol tree. Ta-da! Anay bunga. Next time I come back here, they already harvest this one, guys. I think. Asa naman ang peanut? What happened to the peanut over there? My father. Busy kay silang duha. Ay, mamahaw unta mo daan. Mag-planting daw si father og tangkong, guys. The pigs here. Diri na butang ang isa pa kuan. Uy, mata na. Kaon na mo? Ano ni kaon? Hi, pig. Uy. Magkuy. Katulgo na humagkaon. Ikaw ha. Asag mga tae, ana. Father. Butangan na naghagdan. It's quiet. Let's check the fish, guys. Father plant the kangkong from the Polog City. My sister brought that one yesterday. And oh, butangan naghagdan. Very good. There's a step na, guys. See, so it should be like that. Thank you so much. Kinsa gihimo ani, Dodong? Dodoy. Na butang hagdan natong dili ma-slide. Asa tanom ng tangkong? That's for the rabbit, guys. The fish pond. Let's see. Oh, look at that. The view. Ayan. Dun, dun. There's water lily in there. Look at that. It's brown already. Oh, it's big. Ano man na? Nakukuha na yung water lily pa. Daghan siya. Fish pond. Started planting on kangkong here for rabbit. Rabbit. Look at the coconut. Oh, here's a sheep. Mga puti lang. Isa nang buntong doon, may buntong. Pero unsa ka na? Awira na. Ano man ang umana nakuan? Busy kay si mother. Oh, nagbunlay si mother, guys. Yan, ang trabaho. Unsa na, ma? Unsa? Atsal? Di man ang gi-transfer? Planting time na kay mother, guys. Oh. Planting time. Atsal na? Atsal na ba? Saan na yung gida sa balde? Oh, sayo kayo siya na exercise. Oh. 7 in the morning. Nagbunlay na siya. Muna gloves. Kana din nga gloves di ay? Dili ditong gloves nga kuan. Mabuling kamot na gyapon. Kumusta ang mga farmer diri, guys? Kumusta? Kumusta ang mga farmer? Nalingaw ra ba diri? Tarang baka dito, guys. Oh.